This question came in 2004 for 2 marks. The question is, consider the following statements S1 and S2. Okay, statement 1, statement 2 are given, and they're asking which one of the following is correct. S1 is false, S2 is true, which means they're asking the combination of either one of it or both of it are either true or false. So in order to answer this, we need to find if S1 is true or false, and S2 is true or false. So let's read S1. The threshold voltage of a MOS capacitor decreases with increase in gate oxide thickness. To understand this, we need to have the threshold voltage formula, which is given by, for an ideal Moscap, let's say, is 2 times phi f plus square root of 2q epsilon of silicon, by the way, Na, times 2 phi f divided by Cox. Now Cox, this is actually capacitance per unit area. So Cox per unit area is given by epsilon ox over Tox, where Tox talks about the gate oxide thickness. Now if you see, Cox is epsilon ox over Tox. So Tox can be sent to numerator to find out. So if Tox is directly proportional to this Vt in a way, right, with a constant plus, if thickness of oxide basically increases, the Cox reduces, right, and Vt will in fact increase. We have seen that if capacitance decreases, which means charge per applied voltage will reduce, which means you have to apply more voltage to get the inversion, or more voltage to actually get to that threshold voltage. So in this case, just by looking at the formula, we can tell as Tox increases, Vt will increase. So which means here they're talking about it will decrease, which means the statement is wrong. The statement is false. Now let's see the second statement. The threshold voltage of MOS capacitor decreases with increase in substrate doping. So we have substrate doping here, and in fact there is another term which contains a substrate doping, that is this phi f, that is called the bulk potential, which is Vt Kt over Q, which is nothing but ln of Na over Ni. Na increases, phi f also increases. Okay, both phi f increases, and of course Na is directly present here, which is the most dominant factor. As Na increases, obviously threshold voltage will increase. So here they are saying the threshold voltage of MOS capacitor decreases with increase in substrate doping, which means this is wrong, because we know that when Na is increased, okay, the threshold voltage will also increase. Now logically what it means is, if you have a more doping in the substrate, to invert it equally at the surface, you need to apply more voltage. That's a theoretical understanding. Okay, so which means when doping is increased in the substrate, threshold voltage will also increase. So both the statements are wrong. So the correct option is both S1 and S2 are false.